And here we go. Hey guys, welcome to Money Farming YouTube channel. And in this video, I'm actually starting new series which is um, deeply connected to my heart. It's called Becoming Millionaire Before Age 30, Trading Crypto. So right now I'm 26 years old, soon to be 27. So um, I have this. It's like I have a bit time left to become millionaire before it's 30. So the thing is like I think I don't like to say, but like I think I have cracked the code, but what I don't have is the experience of trading. Okay, so I know how to like write algorithm programs. Yeah, like it's like algorithmic trading. Yes, I can do it. Building machine learning program. Yes, I can write the code. But what I don't have is the experience of trader. Okay, so and I should be honest with you guys as well, because there's not a lot of honesty in online world. You know, so yeah, so this is what I'm gonna be doing every single day. I quit my job. I'm gonna do this every day. And why I'm doing this now is there's a lot of reason for it. Just to know, just to tell you the truth that like I'm gonna document everything on this channel. Okay. so so yeah, let's get started. So what I've done is like I was learning about volume profiling and how it's very important in trading. So if you don't know about volume profiling, it's it's really good tool. Okay, so I'm gonna show you what I mean by that. Okay, so here I have this chart. Okay, so I'm gonna disable everything and I'll show you what I mean. So I'm gonna disable this MRC mean line. Yep, this one. And then we're gonna zoom and then see it. I'm gonna like write the explain it to you guys. So why I'm doing this now is like see, it's like I've been asking help of trader. It's like yeah, it doesn't really work that way, because for me it's like I have to also like put it on the online that like this can be achieved. Okay, so let's get started and let's get it going. Yeah, so um all right, so what you see here now is like as soon as this my new structure, market structure, or call it like Wyckoff, this phase started. It's actually distribution. I'm named as a accumulation. I'll let you know why. But so just imagine. So I'm gonna actually okay, let's do this. So I'm gonna save this image. Um, so I'm gonna save this image. Yep, yep. Yeah, on the output folder there. Then I'm gonna go there and here on the output name we got this image. Okay, so what I want to do, I want to go to the very beginning here. So as soon as this starts, I want to zoom in and show you what is happening there. Okay, so see here. Okay, so as soon as this starts, what volume profile is gonna do, is um, So volume profile, how do we get volume profile? Basically what it is now is like, it's nothing but that, like whatever volume we have around here for each candle, why not, like let's put it here like this, and let's you know, get some insight on the candle. Okay, so if this is a green candle, okay, so if you want to see the volume distribution on this candle, you can just like put the volume around here for each time frame, and you're gonna see the distribution like this. Okay, so that's nothing but your volume profile. Now for that point, what you will have is like, you will have significant volume like this, somewhere around here, significant volume, which is the volume point of control, VPOC. Okay, and then you have so think of it this as like, you know, distribution, you know, a distribution. How it looks in the distribution is it's very simple. So if I do it like this and build a distribution like this, so you'll see the peak around here. Okay, now that's your mean value. Okay, now you have the standard deviation and stuff here. So this is one standard deviation, this is second standard deviation, this is third standard, this is -1 standard, this is -2, this is -3. Okay, now the peak volume the most traded volume. Okay, so understand this. Okay, why we are doing this now is like to understand the market, how it's like behaving. Okay, and not market is nothing but two or more trader are coming together in one platform and exchanging some value, and that value happens to be Bitcoin or Ethereum or anything, any coin at all. Okay, now what we see on this distribution is most of the distribution is like, you know, this 38% or something. Oh no, it's like 60. Yeah, 60. So 30 each on each coordinate. It's like it makes the 68% of the, around 68% of your all value on that one. Okay, okay, and the second one is your second value here. That actually makes your like 14 something percent of it. So second standard deviation and third standard deviation is very rare. So here you have third standard deviation. Okay, value area. Now as you tilt it like this, what you will see is most traded volume like around here, and then you have some like built up that like, okay, value area high, value area low, that we actually keep it as one standard deviation. Okay, and then you can have second standard deviation as well. So if you tilt it like this, just imagine like, you know, tilting it like this. So, you know, hang on, so let me draw it properly. Yeah, now you can imagine the same thing here. Okay, so instead of so I'm just gonna pick the color to, you know, so that you guys can understand and you know, comprehend. So when you tilt it like this, what we see is magic. So I'll show you what magic we see. So this actually becomes your volume point of control, the most traded volume. Okay, which is, we're gonna see this purple line, you see, you know, that's actually your most traded volume. Okay, so volume point of control, that's your, and your first range is like this, your value area high, and this is your value area low. So most of the trading, that's like around 60%, 70%, around most 70% trading that's happening now, it's on that area. Okay, that's that area. So if you have like large order to basically get rid of, that's where you want to trade. That's why we have like volume weighted moving average. So that's where our most of the trading will happen. Okay, volume. And what we have around here is uh, the extreme points. Okay, those are your that's when like that's where the market like so imagine just like market is going like this. Okay, so I'll show you. Okay, so imagine the market is going like this, trading. So as it's building value, okay, it's gonna go to price. So when it does price discovery now, it goes like this. So that's your, so first of all it will do something like this and then go like this. So that's your like value area low on second standard deviation. So that's your price discovery phase. Okay, and price discovery phase is nothing but just your breakout or trending market. So as it's like as it accumulated here, what happened there no is like people were buying. So stop loss was building like here like this. Okay, so these are when you see is like your order book. So you can see also this as like order book 2, level 1, level 2 of your order book. So okay, now so level 1 and level 2 of your order book, you can see it as this. Just imagine that. So as it was going down, no stop loss was hitting. So all these buyers were stop loss was here. So you will see this long candle down. Okay, that it means that like stop loss is getting hit. And as soon as there's like nothing there, then we will see some like doji or something, just that indecision. And then the market will bounce right from there to to again the value area. And and it will do the same thing what it did here on the upper side. And you have that so on the upper side it will do like this. So you can imagine as well, there's like stop loss was built around here with the order book. So institutional trader, what they will do is like they will just like take the stop loss of that and build a big green candle around like here. You will see that big candle. That's actually you're taking your stop loss order with them, because your stop loss order is a liquidity for them. So when they do in stop hunting, they basically get you. And then we see again this like doji or something, and then market reverse again to the value. So what it shows now is like this is your volume point of control. Okay, and around that point then you can like imagine and comprehend what's going to happen in the future. Okay, so that's what we're going to do right now. So just imagine this is the model of the market, the true model of the market that we're going to trade on. Okay, and once you master this, it's really hard to make mistakes. Okay, so let's do it. And as I'm gonna be like becoming millionaire before age 30, it's like I should be able to do it. It's like the real market, like the real market that we see. I mean, okay, that we interpret, that we want to interpret basically. So this is how we're gonna interpret. Okay, and with Wyckoff and all this stuff, I'm gonna tell you later on exactly. I'm gonna tell you exactly what I'm doing. Okay, there's nothing to hide here. All right, because see, in market no one is good or bad. I mean, yeah, there is, you can argue that, but like even if I show it's like it won't matter. Okay, it's like some people will trade something, some people will trade something. That's how you create liquidity. And institutional they know this stuff very well. Okay, so this is our model to crack the market. Okay, it's like to analyze the market. So let's go ahead, move on, and let's analyze it. So just to remember that point, we need to remember VPOC, value area high, value area low, on first and second standard deviation both. So you're gonna see it like this there. So I have color coded it. So let's see. Okay, so I'm just gonna show a little bit to tell you what I mean by that. Okay, so see here. Okay, so check this out. So as soon as this market structure started here, you see volume point of control was just here, because I'm calculating volume point of control as the in the corner points. So at this particular point, the volume point of control was that particular candle where the market closed. Okay, now as it goes down, as it completed the wave, the volume point of control shifted around here. And how can I show you? To show you, I can show you the volume. So check the volume out. Okay, see the volume here. So these are our volume. Okay, so on that down wave, right? So see, these are the volume. See, more volume were here, right? There were more volume here than here. So from that point, volume point of control was here at initially, when and then volume point of control shifted around here, around this candle, because there were more volume when you accumulate there. Okay, so that proves our point of how we are calculating volume point of control. So now see, as soon as this completed, what we see here, okay, so here what we see is this is our volume point of control, and this is our value area high, and this is our value area low. So I'm gonna color code it to show, so that you can better understand, and I also can better understand. So this is my value area low, and that's my value area high up there. So I'm gonna use the orange color. That's my value area high. Now, so there's one book called Wyckoff Trading 2.0 something. I don't know. I coded this before I even knew that book. So we're gonna read that book later on. Yeah, you know what? It should be good that we take the reference. So let's take the book so that I can show you what I mean. Okay. It's like so come on. So I'm actually bringing up the book. Okay. I think I have it here. So nope. Yep, this one. So see, this is the book, Wyckoff 2.0. Okay. Now here they talk about volume profiling. See, see this one. So this is the value area, and you can see the strategies they talk about, but we are going one step further. We have already coded this stuff. Okay. Now see, high volume node and low volume node, you can see it. So so it actually means something. Okay, now I'll show you. So once we got that, let's understand what is going on here. Okay, because I want to keep it real. It's like just chart and me and explaining. Okay, so so you can see that like it happened exactly what I was telling you, right? So see, around here we saw some doji stuff, and from there market turned down, search for value, came to the value area, and again see the market made some doji and then came back up right from there. So it tells you something that there's that this method is accurate. Okay, and this is not a method or rule or something, this is principle. Okay, it can't be wrong. All right, so what is happening, so we made a spring here. Okay, on this. So now comes the real thing. Okay, now comes the story building. Okay, so in Wyckoff methodology, what we do is like we build a story. Okay, and what is it? Is Wyckoff story, but I think I'm gonna change the name and just call just trading story, man. Like like let's not put name to things. Okay, so this is principle, so let's keep it that way. Okay, now you see on this very candle, so as soon as we started the new auction, for that particular wave, so just think of that as wave. So as as so what I'm trying to explain is like think it. So this is actually, guys, a new perspective. Okay, it's like I learned from a lot of people, and what I saw is like they actually make it difficult. Okay, so let's keep it simple. So just there's two entity in the market. Okay, buyers and sellers. So when do like buyers are in control? When it's in up wave. Okay, so if it's in up wave, okay, so imagine if it's in up wave, when we have up wave, then we know that like most of the time that like buyers are in control. Okay, and my pen is like, come on pen. Okay, just imagine that's up wave and then down wave. Okay, so you can imagine that like on up wave, most of the time the auction was the buyers were in control, that's why prices went up. Okay, there's no other reason for it. And if it's in down wave, then we know that like sellers were in control, otherwise there's no reason for the price to go down. Now somebody is text chatting, so actually guys, I do want to keep it interactive, but yeah, I want to like first finish it, and then like we can discuss later on, and you guys can ask me question as well. So I'm seeing at this chart, and what I'm noticing is that like, okay, my down wave is complete. Okay, my down wave is complete, and as soon as the reversal happened because of the average true range, I saw this big candle on the upside. Now what does it tell you? Just think about it. What does it tell you? What it tells to me is that like, see, we had this supply shoot, this big, and people were selling there. Okay, people were selling, so the stop loss order were building there. Okay, see, they were like stop loss order was building there. Okay, so for the institution trader, it's like that's their liquidity. Okay, now now as soon as we had this like the auction was completed around here, the doji candle, and don't worry guys, everything I'm explaining you, I'm gonna code this thing. Okay, I'm gonna code it in pure Python and show it to you. Okay, that this thing work. Okay, and so we had this value area low, value area high, we had this value. Now what happened on that auction now is that like we had this big candle, and it like suddenly just like went up. So it's a start of the new price discovery phase. Why? Because we had already a lot of stop loss order built around here. Okay, so what we have to do is like take that order as a liquidity and liquidate those position. So as I move on, I already know that like my upwave is started now. Okay, so around here my upwave is already started. So what I can do is like I can take this trade on long side, and it's like just keep it as like keep first stop loss here, then move the stop loss to here, then move the stop loss to here, and then move it as long as the market closes downside, we're gonna take the position out. Okay, so yeah, all right, so I think I should take the chat here. Did you upload your script? Hello, I'm already 35. Can I still becoming millionaire? Yeah, man. Yeah, you can become millionaire. So guys, the thing is like I'm gonna upload my script later on, but yeah, this is how I'm gonna fund my thing. Okay, so I'm gonna start a repository in my GitHub saying like just becoming millionaire before age 30 from crypto trading, just this fucking big name, I don't know. And then I'm just gonna put all these strategies. Okay, so it's gonna take time, guys. Please, be patient. And yeah, okay. So so let's continue and see. So see, right at that point, okay, we would have that winning trade. Okay, we would have this winning trade around here. Okay, so all right, let's move on and see. Let's reveal. So now you can see that as we had our stop loss there, and then there, and then there, then the market closes below that. So there we exited our trade and we made profit. Okay, like this much profit, but it's something. Okay, it's something. That's the strategy that we're gonna do. Okay, now as we see the on the upside, this supply shoot. Okay, now you can see the market is like exhausting. Okay, and where it's exhausting? On the resistance, man. Come on, you know. So this we already know. Okay, support and resistance, this we already know. Okay, all right. So so before even going there, we knew that our support is here and our resistance is here. So our support is here, resistance is here. So if the market is gonna go there, that's our like prime target right there. Okay, so yeah, man, this chat thing is a bit yeah. Hey Arash, how you doing, Royce? So yeah, you know so I'm gonna focus on the chart now. So what I'm doing now is so see, most of the time in trading, what you see is like in YouTube and all this, like they do testing, but it's back testing. They are looking at the previous data, at the historical data, and and they're just like, okay, if we do this chart pattern pinant, bullish pinant, then just enter. No, let's do forward testing. It's gonna take time. Yeah, it's gonna take time, but just imagine, guys, it's like just imagine moment when you have the $1 million in your hand. You can do anything in this world. Okay, just like, but you should have good intention though. Otherwise it won't work. For me, it's like I have a lot of good intention. It's like I'm gonna build a school uh, for poor kids. So that's why I'm doing this. Okay, and it is possible. Okay, it's like you're gonna see like the code I have, the code I wrote. It's like you're gonna see it. Okay, so we go there, and as soon as we went there, that's our like profit target. We take our profit and just like waiting for the market to see. And then what we're gonna do is like I'm gonna tell you strategies, what is happening there. Okay, so so as we go there, we got this upthrust. Okay, we got this upthrust, and also, guys, like see, I'm actually documenting everything here. Okay, it's like you can follow along. As one of the guy from Taiwan is saying, it's like he's 33, 35 already. It doesn't matter. Market is the market. Market is gonna be no matter what. How age we are, it doesn't matter. Market is gonna be there. Okay, so and crypto market means like a lot of people have like their own opinion, but like crypto market, I'll tell you that like the things I know about the crypto market, and I'm gonna be sharing it. You're gonna know that like, yeah, man, it's possible to make money. Okay, the reason why I haven't uploaded this shit before is I was like researching. Okay, And I tried to solve it from all the perspective. I first tried to solve it with machine learning, then from this. Now the third thing that's most fucking important, sorry, I'm not gonna curse, but important is human trading system. Okay, the human aspect of that's what we were missing. Okay, and once I realized that, man, I have to learn trading, man, like why am I missing it out in this one? Okay, it's like once I know that, no, it's like I can like write the code, then it's very easy. Okay, it's like whatever in your mind, like I can code it. Okay, that's what we're going to be doing. So I'm going to start a sponsorship on GitHub, upload the code, but not the proprietary one, the company I worked for, but just the code that I'm gonna write from scratch. Okay, and so you're not gonna see the code for this one. You're gonna see the code for, like, as I code along. But the thing is, like, guys, check this out. Okay, it's like the shit that I'm teaching you is like you won't be finding it on internet. I can promise you that. All right. It's like that's why I'm not like making this clickbait video of 5 minutes, 10 minutes video that, like, get more views, get more subscribers. No, I know it's like, I'm gonna be millionaire before it's 30, and I know it. Okay, and what's my window to do it? It's like this is the window to do that. Okay, after 2029, 2030 is like, it is very easy, but like, then AI will kick in, and then it all be shit show again. So let's come back to here. That's why I'm going to start another channels like iHuman, I call it, and I'm going to rant about it. Some just like some philosophical trading, philosophy of trading or something. So yeah, anyway, so let's do it. So see, that was our first winning trade. Okay, now now what Wyckoff does know is, like, Wyckoff trading system is, it actually like gives us a fractal point of what can we expect in the future. Okay, so if I see upthrust here, if I see upthrust there, I can say around like more than 80% sure that market is going to go down from there. Okay, now there's a certain like event for that to happen, but as I'll explain you'll know what I mean. Okay, now okay. So I'm not seeing that one. So here, so yeah, we were there. Okay, so we were at that point. So as soon as this started the downtrend here, so go right there here. Okay, so all this point, it was basically this average true range, uh, for 14 period. It didn't had the liquidity or range to break that. So this was the only time it had the liquidity to break that range. So we got that. So what we can do here, see that now here comes the really cool stuff. Okay, now we can like forecast. Okay, we actually miss this. It's like forecasting. We are human, man. We are the most intelligent machine out there in the world. Okay, AI is not like, I mean, to be honest, like we're gonna be building some like the only thing I know about, like the one thing that can crack the market is AlphaZero. Okay, and we're gonna implement it with Freak AI. Okay, it's very easy. You can find the code, but the main thing that's like not easy is to build the environment and reward function. Reward function is very important. Okay, so yeah, let's not talk about AI. Let's talk about this one. Okay, so so see, this is where we got that. Now there's like a lot of points. So our value is around here. Okay, now as we completed that up wave, what we see is like our value area shifted, our the range of this value area high, value area low, it shifted. Okay, so what we see here is like immediately we saw this big candle. Now now here, if suppose we enter short there. Okay, if we enter short there, our standard trade strategy is like we take our stop loss there, put our stop loss there, and we put our profit target around this value area. Okay, now to be honest, let's do it. Okay, let's see it what happens. Okay, So so see, the value area is there. Now the thing is like, see, market is actually trading. So see, so see guys, like, you know, making millions, no, is like, it's not a easy task, okay? And it's not most of the time it's not like, people who don't know about know about it, it's not fun. But like, that's why I'm doing this, so that, like, you know, it's, for me it's also fun, and you guys can also learn stuff. So, you know, whatever I'm teaching, you know, is like, I learned it from the best in the world, okay? So hear it carefully, okay? Now, as as our value shifted there, so see here, you know, our value area also shifted, like this one, see there. And the low value area now is like shifted there. So what happened is, so we had this, then this, and so, you know, we are actually around here. So this is where, you know, this is when market comes above the value area high, no, that's actually the indication of that, like, you know, buyers are taking control over sellers. So buyers are taking control over sellers, okay? Now we're gonna see why, okay? So see, as soon as we went above, we saw this candle. You see this big green candle, right? So that brick. So why I'm not doing the whole chart now is because it actually makes your mind look ahead bias. You know, it actually it actually trains you as look ahead bias. That's why you don't look at ahead of the chart, okay? Please don't look at it, because it will really, you know, you don't even know about it, but it will build their look ahead bias in the system. That's why most of the machine learning system now is like, look ahead bias is so hard to get out of. Is that like, man, that's why the system, you see, you know, it's not look ahead bias, you know, it's, you can see it. So so from that point, we see that market was going up, but already our like down wave was, you know, in the place. So what we can expect now, as the buyers are taking control, we expect the market to, okay, so what was there? So we expect the market to come around here, you know, the down wave, and as it's completed around there, we're gonna take the long trade around here and take the profit to break that, you know, resistance. So let's see. So check this out. So see here, here what happened. So we had this candle, and then, like, you know, absorption was happening there because market was not moving, okay? There was some chance, but market was not moving. So, you know, it's actually, we made a good call of not taking trade. Well, we were looking for the, you know, completion of the wave, but as you see, so as I'm looking at the chart, okay, so I see this, okay, market is not making progress, the market is not making progress. So as soon as I see this like big candle, then I know that see, it is actually going to the value area. So I wait for the retrace, and then, you know, it's like take the short order, like limit order. So it is already on down wave, okay? Now see, it is already on down wave. So it is actually, we know that, like, you know, if it's not going up, then it's going to this value area. Okay, and see, it actually went there. Okay, so that's why whenever we are analyzing, we will have two or three scenarios, okay? Two or three, or let's take four, okay? Let's take four. Four is my favorite number, and today is 4th of May, so why not? Yeah, so let's take four scenario, okay? And now assign probability in each of it, okay? See guys, this is not a work of you know, market is probability, okay? I'm not gonna lie to you and like come here and see it is like my system is 100% correct, okay? It's not. All right, what I'm trying to tell you is that, like, this like four scenario that we can construct and assign probability in each of it. Okay, and later on I'm going to build some like probabilistic graphical models, like Bayes theorem, and later on it's like the thing is like, see, this is what I'm doing here now is like live research, and I'm showing, I'm putting it on internet so that you guys can also learn, because I was struggling a lot, man. I'll tell you, man, like literally, there was one time I didn't had shower for 6 fucking months. Just imagine, like, and so yeah. Anyway, it's like this is so market noise, like really, it can be complex, it can be easy. It's just that, like, do you have a capability of coding and analyzing the data, like, processing large data? And so this is what we're going to do here. Okay, so yeah, so as you can see, it's like market went down, and see, you know that's why I told you to build like scenario. So see, as we had here, right? So this is our resistance. Okay, so see, as market came down, around here, the market didn't broke up. So even if we had bought, no, like we had to break for the breakout around here. That's when we buy. Okay, this is how you save money in trading. Okay, it's like so so we knew that, like, okay, market is not going up, market is not breaking this resistance, so it is going down because we are already in the down wave. So, and we have this upthrust, so this large shoot of candle, so it makes sense that it's like market is still going to the value area, and it's actually doing this mean reversion. Okay, so yeah, somebody texted. Okay, so yeah. So okay, so we see this. Okay, you see this market exactly came around here. Okay, see guys, this is the what I'm showing you is like, when you see my chart now, it's like you're gonna see exactly this the same thing. Okay, in real time, so see what happened. Market came to this value area. Now you see the value area just like shifted up a bit, like even if it's bit, no, it's like it's shifted up. So we see this market came down, and I can tell you for sure, once you look at the volume, no, it's like volume. So on the up wave, when we see the volume was increasing here, when we see here volume was decreasing. So when you see decreasing volume on and then it's making higher low, it means that, like, okay, we're gonna make progress on the upside. Okay, so and see, we have this value area, we are around this value area at support. So, like, let's talk about confluence now. Okay, so we are near the support. So this is your combined technical score, or just like your probabilistic model. Okay, probabilistic graphical model. Okay, now why I'm saying probabilistic graphical model. So suppose, like, one thing is like, suppose like support. So when support happen, okay, so like when we are in support, okay, now so is it near value volume point of control? Yes. So what's the probability of being in volume point of control, given that we are already in support? Okay, so we know that, like, okay, it's there, support is there, VPOC is there, so we can assign like value. Now we can weight it. Okay, so first thing is like so it's near support, and it's not just some normal support, guys. I'm telling you. Okay, you can see, like, I'll give you one test. Okay, ask yourself why the market is going on that particular point, on that, just like, gray line, support or resistance. It's called accumulation. SC is like selling climax, AR is like automatic rally, why the market is going there and reacting from that point. Just ask yourself why. Okay, so support is there, and then why it's coming back to the value area. Why? You know, volume point of control, why is coming there? Because that's where the market was traded. Okay, that's where the trading was happening most of the time. Most volume was traded right there. That's why, you know, market came around there. Now you see this, like the second event happened, secondary test. Okay, so all this thing, you know, we're gonna build one like probabilistic model that's gonna give us, just like once we see the market, it's just gonna give us, okay, 70% chances that this trade is gonna work out. Let's see how. Now we enter risk management and let's manage the risk now, right? So somebody texted, the crypto market doesn't often follow TA, right? How do we model market sentiment as well? Well, Pavan Yolleri, if you don't know about Wyckoff methodology, no, I highly recommend you look into it. So it's not about TA. Okay, technical analysis have gotten like bad rap in the market because people lose money, you know, and people most of the time attach emotion to it. So if they lose money, you know, somehow it's like it's the technical indicator is false. Okay, fault. But but the thing is like value area is, I explained, go back, I explained what it means, the value area, later on. So the thing is like, see, there's three law. Okay, so I was also like searching like you guys. I mean, I'm not new. Okay, 3 years ago I was like banging my head, you know. It's like how I was also losing money with the TA. Okay, technical analysis, this simple RSI, Bollinger Band, and all this shit, bullshit, basically. And to see, and when I found like, okay, there's like science behind it, man. Okay, there's like market science, like, you know, it's like there's law how the market was. There's like supply versus demand. That's your like first law of economics. You have like effort versus result. Okay, makes sense, like, you know. And then you have cause versus effect, and then it totally made sense to me, like, holy shit, man, this is how market works. Okay, I gotta code this thing. Now what happened that like the people who I was like learning, you know, is like, so take the like legendary Wyckoff trader. Okay, so the first is like, yeah bro, I'm just like I'm just gonna rant about it and just like, you know, teach you guys and just, you know, talk about crypto. Okay, so because that's what I want to do, and become millionaire, to show it to you guys that this shit is real. Okay, so this 42 years experienced guy, David Weiss, sorry, but his dad, you know, because of COVID 2020, rest in peace, you know. But he's really good at you know, what he developed Weiss wave indicator. Okay, so now he told his you know, and that guy, and then there's one guy as well, he actually runs YouTube channel. I don't know what it's called, but the thing is like, it's just like they told me like nobody can code it. Nobody can code Wyckoff methodology because it's so complex, you know. You can see also, it's like, you know, this simple strategy that you see, you know, it's like there's 50,000 lines of code running behind it. That's why you see this, and just the chart is 8,000 lines of code. Okay, so you can see the complexity of it. Like, it's not that complex, but like, you know, most of the time when people figure it out, no, they keep it for themselves. Okay, and I don't want to do that. Okay, it's like nowadays, like I'm telling you guys, like internet is the best thing happening to us. Okay, it happened to humanity. Okay, now now that's why this thing, no, this ranting about the philosophy of trading, I'm gonna create one new series called I Human, because we deserve to be also like, you know, prestigious iPhone like company, each and individual, each and every one of us. Okay, so that's why I'm gonna talk there, but let's keep it to the topic. And so you see this, all this, you know, factor is like, you have the confluence. Okay, now when you combine all these things, you know, then you have basically a trade. Okay, now now here you will see that that now you see the events. Okay, so there's like different events in Wyckoff. Okay, so we're gonna see it. Okay, so as soon as we hit that value area, now we are expecting the market to go up. Okay, now what I want to show you now is I want to show you the volume. Look at the volume till this point. Okay, so we had this volume here, down wave. Okay, so see, so this was our up wave, so volume decreased there. Okay, now this was our down wave, volume was also decreased, so volume decreased, volume decreased. Why volume is decreased? The overall accumulated volume decreased. All right, now to be honest, what it's telling you know is like, so I tell you three different law. So like supply versus demand, second is effort versus result, and third is cause versus effect. Now here you see the volume was decreasing here on the up wave too, so there was less effort. The result was good, but effort was less, meaning there's more sellers in the market. See, this is how decode it. Okay, otherwise you wouldn't know that what is going on. Okay, we have to look at the volume, because that's what give us the real trading volume. Okay, that's, you know, it's like trading is executing there. Okay, now that's the real market orders. Now, so effort was less, the result was good, so that means that like there are still sellers. Otherwise, why the volume is decreasing on the upside? And then so we figured it out. So on this upway, no, there was seller as well. Okay, now as this downway started, this downway completed, what we saw again was the overall volume was less as compared to that. So meaning, as we compare that, so guys, like first time takes a lot of time, but later on, no, it's like I'm gonna put everything on the chart, so we can see that, like, you know, the computational confidence engine that I build, no, it's like after you look at, no, it's like we can analyze it right at that chart. So yeah, yeah. So here as well, we see the volume was decreasing too, right? Meaning even in the down wave, there was less volume as well. So there's basically, so you have seller volume, sellers volume, so you have more seller volume. So like still the sellers are in control. Okay. Now, so basically if you see the fight between them, no, it's like you can see the market is moving there. Okay. Now, after this, I'm gonna reveal the whole chart, and you can see I'm gonna explain the big event to you. Okay. Now, so let's move on and see. So so tell me, guys, should we take this trade or not? You know, should we go long or not? I'll tell you why. So see, as we come down, you know, see why I'm showing this now is like, if there's like trader, okay, who don't know about trading, who don't know about like writing code or something, he would basically like literally plot a line in every different coin pairs, okay, which is inefficient. Okay, so this code we can run it on any coin pair, we can run it in any market, we can run it in any time frame, and the result is same. Okay, you can analyze the market from there. So see, as we go up, we had this doji candle, so it actually shows the weakness, and right after that we saw the red candle. Okay, so so I think the market is not going to move much. So see, it's not moving much. Okay, now what it shows now is that like they're accumulating again. Okay, so and then we have this completion of this wave around here, and what it shows basically is that this BD is like breaking down, so market is not moving much, but still it has, you know, went there, and from there, so this is your like extreme points. Okay, so even if you don't know much about trading, no, just whenever the market goes to the extreme point, just take a long or short trade. Okay, so this is what we're going to do here. Okay, we're going to take long around here, okay, on the extreme point, and see how it goes. So as I moved on, so as my wave is completed around there, see, just there. So see, as it come to the extreme point, now I can take long trade around here, but I'm waiting for the wave to complete, and then I'm going to execute my trade. Okay, so why? Because it's the value area is building around here after these extreme points, and that's, if the market is gonna reverse, market is at least gonna come around here, and then we can, like, target there too. Okay, so let's see, I'm entering long there, and we're gonna put stop loss just like below that. Okay, so all right, so let's see. So see, market went up, right? So this is what it means. Okay, so so see, this is, we know this is our extreme point. Okay, why it is extreme point? Because it is second standard deviation. Okay, now what I usually do now when trade, I actually put a stop loss below that one. Okay, so you can basically see how it is. But the thing is, like, as we entered long there, we put our stop loss there, we put our stop loss there, we put our stop loss, we trailed, and we last trailing stop loss was there. So technically speaking, we would have, like, get out of around here. But if you had our stop loss here put there, then we could we could say that, like, okay, yeah, we can wait for the trade. And that's why, like, this someone was asking questions like, crypto market doesn't often follow TA, right? So how do we model market sentiment? So I don't know if you guys can see the question, but here's the question. So he asked, crypto market doesn't often follow TA, right? So how do we model market sentiments as well? So market sentiments, yeah, he's talking about market sentiments. And then what is value area? So the value area is your market sentiment, basically. Okay, what is sentiment? Okay, sentiment means, like, so the other day I was learning about linguistic, and the funny thing about linguistic is, so there's one IPA, okay, International Phonetic Association. So all this language you see, English, Japanese, Taiwanese, Cantonese, Mandarin, list all of the language. Okay. So the science of linguistics, science of language, it's called linguistics. Like, all this, like, we have in our mouth now is like, there's some certain area in our mouth where when you say, it's like, you, no matter what language is, it's like you actually sound like those phonetic symbol, or like phonetic sound. Okay, so market is the same. Okay, it's like TA means, like, every people have their, like, different language of interpreting the market, but there's one only rule, one thing, not a rule, but like one principle, how the market works, and that's your volume profile. Basically, volume means, like, the market order that got executed, and we are building profile on top of it, like, identifying, like, it's like understanding the language that the market speaks, the real language, which is linguistic, how it follows. Okay, so yeah, so so right there, you have that. And, like, and you can also see it. Okay, how it's working. Like, I ask you guys, ask yourself why the candlestick is going right at that point where I have color something and reacting from that point. Okay, so see, market came around here. Okay, so see, market came around here and then reacted. Now it accumulated. So what it shows, it actually shows its strength. Okay, now if you now I'll show you why. Okay, now I'll show you different language, how people interpret. Okay, now this is going to be interesting now. Okay, so see, so there's one interpretation that it's making lower high. Come on, pen. Man, I don't like it when it does that. So lower high, okay, and it is making higher low. So this thing, no, like when you study this ICT, inner circle trader, no, they will tell you that, oh, this is like, order block, this is like order block. Yeah, it makes sense. I'm gonna run one series on coding ICT. So we're gonna code ICT from scratch, okay, every single thing of it. ICT, okay, inner circle trader. I actually learned from the guy who basically discovered ICT, and ICT is nothing but Wyckoff. Okay, he just like named it differently. Judah swing. Judah swing is nothing but your spring. All right, and then you have fair value gap. It's nothing but they're just like, so here what they will tell is like so around this point here they will tell you, okay, this is fair value gap, so market will come around here, it's going to accumulate around here. So from there we can decide, okay, market is going to go up or down. So you see, it's like we are speaking the different language, but we are interpreting the same thing. We are trying to interpret the same thing, and the real language that market speak is the language of volume. Okay. And I'm gonna show you the David Wise story I told It's like yeah, he's a legend, man. But the one thing he actually like so there's one also guy who also like so tech lead name YouTube channel. He actually said like, oh, if you're really smart, like crack this stock market code or something, like nobody can do it, like. And he actually worked on Google and like then left Google and then doing YouTube. So it's not about being smart or this or that, like it's like, this is a problem, can you solve it? If you can solve it, then it's good. If you don't, then like live your life, man, enjoy life, okay? There's nothing to like this smart, that smart, nobody can code it. Like it's like why this language happens, no, why this happens, like because of the money. Okay, money controls everything. It's like, that's why like in trading world we have like couple of sayings, like so one thing I'll tell you is like follow the money. That's the biggest thing, okay? If you don't know about anything, just follow the money. Second thing is go big or go home. And third thing is my favorite, buy low and sell high. Get it? Sell high. It's funny, but like yeah. And the fourth thing, the thing is like Wyckoff actually have a lot of quotes. Saying is that like the quote for composite operator is like it actually comes to the gut, to your confidence, that like once you identify this thing, okay, once you know how to speak the language of the market, do you have a courage to enter the trade and follow the profit? That's my favorite. I told you 4 is my favorite number. So that's the thing, is like do you have a courage after all this learning? Do you have a courage to test it with like fake money? Fake money mean like paper trading, and then you see it for yourself. That's what I'm going to be doing it in this channel. So so we saw that market came around here. So this was your like, take it, your order block. And what I'm going to take it, I'm going to take it from my perspective. Okay, I see that like, okay, value area low was building here. So even if the market comes around here, we'll see the value executing area, people were executing the market trade orders. And as we see is like when the market come go back up retracement, that's where like just we already entered the trade here. So there were 2 stop loss. First was like trailing stop loss, second was like this. So if we had this stop loss, we would have ride that trend. Now the first target is around here. That's our first target, okay? Value area, volume point of control, that's our first target. And second target is to be honest, is this, okay, the resistance. So you're gonna see it, what I mean. So I'm gonna move on and show it to you. So yeah, so the thing is like, see, so you can see this one too, okay? So just follow the red line and the blue line as well. So as we moved on there, so hang on, I'm gonna zoom it, man. Yeah, when I zoom it, no, it's like it's gonna make more sense to you guys too. So zoom it, you see what was going on there. Now you see, right? See, absorption. This is what called absorption. Okay, now as it comes down, pull back up around here, value area was there, the value area low basically. So we went back up and we hit our first target. After hitting our first target, we had this, you know, absorption again, and then, you know, once we break out that, we went above, and where did we went? Value area high, you see. So here, see, this resistance was here, but you can see also, like, you know, see this one, previous swing high was blocking that, value area high was blocking that, and as we see this supply shoot, that's actually makes sense that, like, okay, that's our second target, just like get out, take your trade. Okay, and so you can see that, you know, it makes sense. If this thing, no, just imagine if this thing like was around here, no, like market would definitely go around here, I can promise you that, and we're gonna see it. Okay, so so let's continue, and now I'm gonna show you the whole chart. And another thing is, like, text me in the chat if you guys know about what it's called, man. So we have this different section of trading. Okay, so during 1920s, no, is like there were like legend of technical analysis. So Elliott Wave had his own theory of how the market works, called wave theory. Wyckoff, he had his Wyckoff methodology. Third is Gann. Okay, he had his own like Gann thing. Okay, fourth is Dow Jones, so he had his own theory. And yeah, so that's those four guys I know. And what Wyckoff did differently, you know, is like he actually interviewed everyone. Why not, let's fucking interview everyone and let's see how it goes. So he interviewed Morgan Stanley, he interviewed Dow Jones, he interviewed all these big banks, you see, you know, he interviewed every one of them, like back in the day, man, like 1920s. Okay, so this method, you see, you know, it actually like the institutional traders, they are running this one, okay, to build their campaign. This is actually, in Wyckoff terms, this actually calls building cause. Okay, this is till this point. So we have automatic rate so till this point, this is like a stop of the trend. And then this, so this is called phase A. Okay, and this, this is what we have, building cause. Okay, this is your phase B. Now this spring we see, this happens in phase C, and that's your optimal point of entry to take trade. Okay, point of entry, spring, SP means springs. Okay, now you see this big move there. Okay, now there's also, so now I'm going to tell you this different from wave theory perspective. Okay, so there's this thing called can't remember, so we have cipher pattern, yeah, harmonic pattern, yeah, I know it. So, you know, so this is actually very much related to harmonic pattern. I actually wrote a code for it as well. Yeah, you know, so once you do this, no, so once you do this, so just connect this. Okay, so I'm gonna take a line, this one, and this one. So once you connect this, no, you start to see pattern. Okay, now once you run the Fibonacci from this one to this point. Okay, so imagine we run Fibonacci here, and so here would be like your minus 13%, minus 27% something. And yeah, so this is actually your I don't remember quite the name, but it's cipher pattern or something. But the thing is, like, how you code it, no, is like, see, so how you code it is so you take Fibonacci retracement of this one, So this thing, so first of all, you know, this is your actually 78% something of Fibonacci just from looking at it. And this is your, so when you run the Fibonacci of this, like 50% around, so this is your Fibonacci is going to be 50 around here. So this is your 38. So from 38 it's actually reversing. So this is your, you know, it's like we actually get the target from this one actually, your Fibonacci extension. That's how we get the target. So the thing is, like, guys, you know, we can, like, we'll be building this and like probabilistic graphical models, and you're gonna see, you know, why the market actually exactly went there. Okay, once you run the Fibonacci extension of it, no, it's like from here to here, you'll see that, like, you know, minus 13% or minus 27% point is there. Okay, somebody is texting, so let's see. Okay, so can Wyckoff method be back tested and become a strategy written as freak trade? Yeah, it can be. Yeah, I have done it already. So this is the strategy you see. So I think you are in the Telegram, right? So go to the Telegram, the same strategy is running. The only thing that I had problem with is that, like, see guys, I'm not a trader. Okay, I haven't traded. Okay, it's like we're just sitting on the screen just like trading. Yeah, I haven't done that. Okay, I know how to write code. That's why I'm doing this. Okay, the one thing that I was missing, no, is like I would ask my employer to, like, man, it's like, just bring one trader, man. Like, you know, we already have solved this on spot trading, but I want to solve it in like you know, it's like on futures market. So for that, no, you need like really precision. Okay, it's like in spot trading, it's like just do DCA and grid bot, and you have, like, you can make millions, but you need thousands of dollars to make millions. Okay, so so this Wyckoff, this is actually Wyckoff thing I coded. It is actually running, so that the notification you're seeing, you know, on your mobile. So I'm gonna show you right now. I was actually seeing it. It made couple of good trades past days. So yeah. So see guys. So just look at the trade. 2 days, 3 days, 2 days trade. Okay, it's in profitable. Can you guys see it? I don't know if you guys can see it. Look at the downside. Okay, downside around here. Okay, so you can see it that you know, it's in profit. So how much in profit? I'm running it in 5x leverage. So XRP, bro, can you also check in your mobile? So on XRP USDT, it's running for 2 days and it's up 19% profit. AWAX also, it's running, it's long actually. XRP we entered long, AWAX we entered long. So yeah, so I can actually show it to you. Hang on. See, I like actually, like, you know, live stuff showing to you guys. You know, this is real stuff. So yeah, it's actually running on 15 minutes. So I think I'm running this here. Yep, I want my terminal, Ubuntu terminal here. So so here, see, I'm actually like fetching the data, okay, on 15 minutes. So you can see here, so this one is running on 15 minutes. See, okay, so we're gonna see the chart for XRP and AWAX. So let's look at the XRP. Okay, so this one. Okay, so see, 2 days ago means like this one. Okay, this one or this one. So it actually entered long trade here. So see guys, I'm showing you that this is like, you can verify it. Okay, I'm not bullshitting. Okay, it's like you can see it for yourself. So 2 days ago, so we are right now here, and I'm gonna show you the day chart as well. So this is where it comes handy. Okay, so this is XRP. Okay, so this is current day. So this is current day, which is 4th. This is 3rd, and you can see it here in the chart too. So see, this is 3rd of May, This is 2nd of May, this is 4th of May. And so 2 days ago, meaning we entered around here. So 1 day, 2nd day, 2 days ago. So this, take any trade, okay? Take any trade. The thing is like, it was long trade and it's in profitable trade, okay? And you can see it, okay? Now here comes the magic, guys, see, okay? I'm not joking, okay? Here comes the magic. You see this? We already knew that, you know, that this day is going to be narrow CPR expansion, meaning like it's going to be breakout. And what you see, boom. And where it happened on the CPR range. And what was the reason? It's like, see, on the Wyckoff terminal, you can see all the events: up thrust, backing up action, secondary test. From that perspective, it's like minor sign of strength, because we broke up this, like, you know, resistance. And when we pull back, where did we pull back? Previous day high. So this was previous day high. We broke up, we came back around here. So this is where you look another long trade entry. So, you know, just imagine this one trading me, okay? We're gonna, so on this first day, you know, as I'll be doing practicing here, we can make a lot of money on this one, okay, which I'm gonna show you. Okay, so the reason for this one, taking trade like big backing up action, and we had like higher value bullish. So, and this was in like New York session. So, you know, this, you see this like a lot of probability right there, okay? So I'm in the Telegram. What is the quantity and the maximum stop loss per trade, and how is the risk management? Yeah, bro. So that's why, like, you know, that's why I'm doing this. So as I told you, you know, I'm not a trader. Okay, so I mean, but I know everything about trading. The thing is like, for risk management, no, it's like I need for myself to execute trade so that I can code it. Okay, so right now risk management is not good. You know, right now risk management is, this is how the risk management is coded. Okay, so I'll tell you how it's coded. Okay, so see, this is my stop loss. So if I enter trade there, no, this is my stop loss on the swing low. And as I have this one, so I'm gonna replicate there. So this is my first RR, second and third. So take your this first R, second R, third R. So this is so what I'm doing now is like, as soon as I reach there, it takes partial exit. So if you are in like the Telegram channel, no, go back, you will see that it exited partially on XRP and AVA X2. So it actually like exited the trade there. Okay, so see, I'm gonna show you partially exiting. Okay, so see, I'm seeing the ADA partially exited, LTC, ADA, C, XRP. So see, you see, so see XRP, it actually partially exited the trade there. You see that? So, you know, that's our like first target. So as soon as it goes first target, no, it actually takes 50% of the trade out. You see, this is how the risk management is coded, which I think is like, you know, we can do better job of it, because, you know, market changes, but now right now in this case, it's really good. Okay. So see, that was our like first target. And I think second target was also, so I take half around here, I take 1/4 here, and all of the trade, which is 1/4, another 1/4 on that third RR. So this is how I'm managing the risk. Yeah, bro. Tell me your name. Like, I can't pronounce your names. Like, you know, I can read Jed, I can read Paven. You know what's your name? Like, how do I pronounce your name? It's like, I don't know Chinese, man. Come on. Yeah. So you know, so that's my risk management. Okay. And yeah, so 9 really, it's from the Naruto, right? Nine tail something, I don't know, man. Yeah, yeah, I can tell 9. Yeah, bro. So yeah, it's very easy, you know. In freak trade, you just have to like get the Telegram ID, chat ID, and your token, and then you have your bot. Okay, I'm thinking of taking those trades in crypto pro firm. Yeah, I mean, you can take those trades, but I can't promise you that you're gonna make money, or like you might lose money. I don't know. It's like right now it's in profitable trade, so you can see the trade. But the thing is, like, why I'm doing now is like, bro, I'm telling you, okay, the system I have now is like it's really good. The only thing where I'm fucking things up is like risk management, which is why I have to trade. Okay, I'm gonna learn trade. I know about trading. I know about like how to put stop loss and this and that. I just didn't practice. If I have So just imagine from programmer's perspective, okay, if I haven't practiced that, how can I code it? Just see it. Okay, that's why I'm practicing. Okay, and right now this risk management is good, but to be honest, yeah, it's really good system. Yeah, you can take trade, just try it with paper trading right now, and then you can use it on because I'm gonna be building the so this you thing, is like why I'm doing is like so either I can like live stream, learn something like from teaching you guys, and then implement it in code. So as I told my series name is like becoming millionaire before age 30, trading crypto. Ah, okay. And nice to meet you, Anne. So Zed says, I'm thinking of taking those trades in crypto pro firm. I'm a trader, but I trade in forex market. Yeah, yeah. So you're the Atlantis 0914 in Discord. Ah, awesome, man. So yeah, it's like so. The thing is like the strategy you see, indicator like I promise you that you haven't seen in the market in anywhere. Okay, and the only thing that where I'm fucking things up now is the risk management. And yeah, I'm gonna solve it, bro. It's like before it's 30, I'm 26 right now, guys. I'm just gonna like as soon as so see, I'll give you one like one thing here. Okay, so see. So we have Asian session, London session, New York session. Okay, so I'm gonna start preparing my trading on London session. Okay, so London session, I prepare my I prepare. So I'm gonna do this professionally. Okay, I'll have my trading plan like just right there. You can see it on Notion. Okay, if you wanna collaborate, you can collaborate. Okay, it's like it's like you know. So today is May the 4th. Okay, it's like they're saying in Star Trek, and I literally I like science fiction, and I'll tell you why. Yeah, it doesn't matter younger older. It's like once we become millionaire, no, it's like there's no literally an age, and I promise you, if you stick around, no, you're gonna be millionaire too. So because see, I'm not hiding anything. Okay, it's like I'm not saying I'm gonna be like 100% correct. I might lose two or three trades, but overall all the trade, no, I'm gonna be making money. Okay. Ah, you're 22. Awesome, bro. Zed. So you do forex trading. Awesome. Uh, yeah. So what you use what? I mean, I'm not asking your strategy to give away your strategy, but like, can you tell me like what you use, like Fibonacci or something else? Like, the thing is like what I'm gonna be doing now is like, so I'm gonna start. Awesome. You use imbalance, right? Oh, cool. So from that perspective, I can tell you, you know a lot about trading. Okay. Yeah, yeah. Guys, I'm gonna actually keep it as secret, where are you from, because the thing that I want to do in this channel now is like I'm gonna document everything. Okay, you're gonna see it for sure that I'm gonna be millionaire before age 30. Okay, now why I'm doing this now is like it's not a thing about like where you're from, what's your age, how much it's like I'm gonna be teaching you guys everything. Okay, let's forget everything and just like trade, man. It's like it's the best thing we can do. Just imagine like I after college, I mean so I actually went to the really good colleges in India. Okay. like um, like tell it like IIT, triple IITs, okay, and it's actually like as if you like measure it from the top university, no, it's like MIT of India and Stanford of India. Um, so support and resistance is the best way to trade. Agreed. Yeah, man. It's like yeah, and the best thing, guys, is I'm gonna start a sponsorship in GitHub. So I'm gonna upload every single fucking code on GitHub. Okay, and what we're gonna do? I'm gonna deploy it in my machine, and you can see the trade alert on Discord and Telegram. So if you have a strategy, that you want to automate, just tell me, okay, I'm gonna code it for you. I'm not gonna ask you for money. I promise you that, because like people are gonna pay me money already on GitHub. Okay, they're gonna sponsor me. Okay, I'm just gonna put it there. If somebody wants to sponsor me, go ahead. Yeah, but I'm doing this for all of us. All right. Okay, so bro, I used to trade Indian market, but from the past 1 year it has become shit. So shifted to Forex. Yeah, man. And that's why I'm focusing on crypto. Why? Because crypto stays open 24/7, 365. And the best thing is like, people are not trading crypto. Why? They like, there's like very less day trader on crypto. Like most of the people I met know, it's like they hold it, hold it, hold it. I'm 26 right now, soon to be 27 on July. Uh, so yeah, so in crypto, no, you can literally make money, a lot of money, but the thing is like it's so volatile that like most of the technical indicators, no, it doesn't work. Okay, that was my like premise. That's what I hired to solve. Okay, and once I solved, it's like holy shit, man. It's like this has to be like, crypto is going to be a big thing anyway in the future, because they are scared to play with fire. I don't understand, because they're yeah, scared to play with fire. Yeah, see guys, you see this tattoo? Yeah, I'm gonna tell you this tattoo. Okay, I got this tattoo. See this? Bitcoin, live free or die. Okay, so for me it's like it's real. Okay, Bitcoin, live free or die. If you're I'm not like you know um scolding or something, but like guys, 9 to 5 job is not a life. Okay, it's like after from the very start, I didn't work 9 to 5 job. Just imagine, for the past 4 years, almost 4 years, I've been just working on this motherfucking thing to solve. I got so I was doing this competition on Google Cloud. So during COVID, they made it free, everything. You can learn Google Cloud and everything. So I actually completed all the challenges, the 6 month worth of challenge in like 1 month. And I got this shirt, a Google shirt from California, okay, Mountain Dew. So if I had like, some conversation there, I would have get job in Google, okay. It's just that like once I got this job or like on crypto market, man, it's like I knew about machine learning, and I knew, if I applied to hire multinational company, all this stuff, no, they would just like fucking like put me in a like like shape line and just tell me what to do. So I was doing machine learning, reinforcement learning. I was like literally living my life. you know but once I saw, that like machine learning, AI are stupid, man. Like, not to tell from the wrong perspective, they are quite intelligent, and we're going to build it here. Okay, I'm going to show you exactly how to build a good system, machine learning. So at one time, I remember I built this reinforcement learning algorithm. So so just imagine this kind of chart, but like it's running on matplotlib animation. So every bar knows, as soon as the new bar comes, it just like puts there, it just puts there, it just puts there, and all the indicators know it's like live. So just imagine, like, as I'm looking at the chart, no, an AI agent, reinforcement learning agent, is looking at the chart, seeing, okay, now where is it, now where is it. So I had everything. So at that time I didn't know about trading. So in machine learning we have this term called like feature engineering. Okay, so yeah, it's not about talented guys. It's just like solving the problem, man. It's like and the best thing is, guys, I'm gonna release everything. You guys gonna see it. It's so much fucking fun. you know. So yeah, so I was seeing this and like, man, at that, so I was trading, I deployed it on 4 hours, so it's just running on its own. Okay, I'm not doing shit. It's stop loss, it's figuring it out. Where to enter, it's figuring it out. Where to take profit, it is the AI agent is figuring things out. Okay, now what happened no is like, at one time it actually predicted, and I also like coded it to like give me on the output, like how much percentage do you think is gonna change, you know. So it actually said 11% at one time, and I was like so fucking surprised. I was like, you know, back then I was like, just okay, yeah, I just build the system. Like, and second day I looked at it and I just like ran the retracement on the price change on trading. I was like, holy shit, man, it's like 11%. Like, how did it got it right? You know, it's like, because guys, see, if you want to build AI system, no, build with reinforcement learning. The chat GPT magic you see, it comes with reinforcement learning. Okay, it's like, so it's that's called like reinforcement learning through human feedback. This like research paper which we're going to be doing later on. So what they did know is like, they were running, so we were using chat GPT before when it was famous, you know. I was using it, so there's like GPT-3 version of it, and you know, once I saw no, on the news like, okay, is it sentient or something, I went back and like just like just started typing and talking to it and I saw that like it was good, but not that good, you know, because it didn't knew how to respond to your answer. Yeah, so I was actually working to this company, and so today I actually put a resignation for my job. I was actually working as a machine learning slash algorithmic trader for this company. uh, yeah, we had some success, but what I want to do now is like, I wanna trade as well. Okay, and that's where we had disagreement there. So that's why I just like today I put my resignation and just decided like, I'm gonna start this trade series, becoming millionaire before age 30, trading crypto, and just gonna do documenting everything, man. You know, yeah. And guys, see, it's not gonna be easy. Okay, yeah, I might lose somewhere. You know, I might, you know, it's starting. No, it's like it's thing, but like, see, just imagine that. Okay, it's like the thing you see in front of your screen, this system. It's like from the trades that it took, you can also just imagine if you had taken that trade too, you would have making money. Okay, now so the thing is like, I can code it, I can build an AI agent too, like literally. So we're gonna be building Alpha Zero implementation on Freak AI. I have all the machine as well, so don't worry. I got GTX, RTX 3060, NVIDIA, and I'm gonna upgrade my laptop to 64 gigs. Yeah. So yeah. So the thing is like, see, the holy grail of trading now is risk management. I'm telling you. Okay, there's no holy grail. The holy grail of trading is like risk management. This is, you can see it as like holy grail, but not quite. Okay, because there's some like decision to make around there, but I actually see it as like, you know, I can like code it here. So yeah, we're gonna see it, you know. It's like, that's where you guys come in. Like, you can give me your input, what you want in your, you know, and so we can have fun, and then like you know, just code it, and you know, yeah. Because like, I had problem with YouTube, like people were like, you know, just sending you know, uploading video, oh, follow this strategy, 80% win rate, 90% win rate, and sometimes after ChatGPT came 100% win rate. Like, what the fuck you're talking about, bro? You know, it's like so I'm gonna run another YouTube series on this one, like, I mean, just on this one as well. So day 1, day 2, day 3 is just like, you know, and we're gonna bust some YouTube strategies too. So would you guys like that? You know, just trading that strategy, whatever they're like putting on YouTube, and just like back test it. You know, on hello Gautam, how are you, bro? So just back test it on Frick Trade, and then like okay, now let's talk about, okay, what you're saying, 100% win rate, like are you fucking shitting me, you know? I think I should like curse less because YouTube will gonna look after this video anyway. uh, because it, see, the thing is like people have freedom to put anything they want, and they do not worry about. And then you have this AI thing which comes like, which promise you to give you clickbait or something. So anyway, see, like right here at that moment, okay, so see here, we don't have like trade setup here, okay, but see, this is spring, okay. And now you can see I can actually code it. So you see, it's actually very much related to the ICT, and ICT. Yeah, I think ICT works. When people put ICT stuff, no, I truly believe that it works. Okay, you wanna know why? Because it's based on Wyckoff, and this guy, I actually know this guy who developed ICT. So you can actually look it up on YouTube. He also did the same thing. He have also like documented everything and like put everything on YouTube. But he runs his own inner circle trading. So if you don't know what ICT means inner circle trading. Okay, so yeah, so it's just, so ICT, if I put it simply, ICT is just Wyckoff but different words. Okay, now on this, no, see here, I'll tell you. So this is happening on previous day low. We are already on spring, and you see this like big chunk coming back here. And what you see here, no, is like, see, now we see the sentiment. Okay, Z was talking about sentiment, right? Or some other one, Pawan. Yeah, Pawan, so let's talk about sentiment, guys. See, you see, for this day the sentiment was, okay, narrow CPR, expansion is, that means breakout, expansion means breakout. Okay, so we got that out. So even as we start the day around here, no, on the Asian session, we know that the market is going to be breakout. Now the second thing it says is that lower value bearish. So you see this CPR, so that means when it goes down, no, it's like, so market was trading here, so as it comes around here, so that's our upthrust. So that's where the optimal place to take trades, short entry. Okay, so that's check out, that checks out. And as we are in Asian session, no, so Asian session is good for taking short trade. Now here you see B shape bearish. So what that B shape is, no, bullish is your volume profile. So for the whole day, for that whole previous day, so this is previous day analysis on this day. So what it says, though, yesterday we had this kind of like profile developing. So people were accumulating around here. So as we see the accumulation, as the market comes around that point, we look for bullish trade, right? You see that? So see, before even the start of the day, we already have figured that shit out. Okay, and the thing is like, see, this happened in London session. So manipulation happens in you'll see this kind of manipulation. No, see, in ICT, they talk about equal high, equal low, and once you break that high, we come back around here. That's your like order block here, and then you basically take your long trade entry. So you see that like from this perspective, you can see that like can you explain any simple strategy now? Yeah, simple strategy. um hmm. Simple strategy. The simplest strategy that I can tell you is so I actually shared this indicator. Okay, so let's get real that you can also trade. um so simplest strategy that I'm going to tell you right now, you see this. So this is your chart on daily time frame or dot. Okay, so the simplest strategy, this indicator I actually shared on my Discord channel, so you can look at it. So here's your simplest strategy. Okay, you can get trade every day. So as we are in uptrend, okay, so as we are in up wave, okay, what you do know, just when the day closes, you just buy it. So this is actually, this works, okay, this makes a lot of money. So imagine, so okay, so our wave completes there, okay, so I'm gonna zoom there. And guys, in this one, no, you have to be patient, okay, on this strategy. It's very simple, okay, because you can get a trade every day. So see here, we got our completion of the wave. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna buy every day the market closes. So I'm gonna buy and I'm gonna close on the closing of the candle. So this trade was profitable, so plus, okay, I'm gonna buy again and sell it there. So this was again profitable, so two trade profitable. So I'm gonna buy there, and then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put my stop loss below low of the day, okay. So here you can see that if you had this low, so what you do know is like, you only exit the trade after the closing of the candle. Okay, that's very simple rule. Okay, we're gonna code it. Yeah, I actually coded it, yeah, I'm gonna show you later on. So see, this one actually would have exited with our stop loss. And what you do know is like, so whatever you make money, it's like you only invest 50% of it. So this is where your risk management comes in. So what I'm telling you is like, see, I actually coded it, back tested it. So I did the quant analysis on this one, okay. Bro, if less people trade in crypto intraday, then how can we expect market to follow price action in lower time frames? No, bro, it's not about, I mean, I'm talking about less people as compared to the forex market. Okay, forex market is like $4 trillion every day. Okay, I'm talking about the trading volume. Okay, it's like in crypto, and Bitcoin is more volatile, so most of the people are trading Bitcoin. Okay, you can see the volume on Bitcoin, but not a lot of people are trading on the altcoin. Okay, so the strategy that we're gonna be, so you can use these indicators. I'm gonna show you the strategy. It's like, that's the simple strategy that I showed you earlier. Here's the another simple strategy. So you see this green, no, this red. So as soon as we get into red area, no, it's like you only have to take short entry. So as we come down, and what we have to wait, the market to come around here, and as soon as we see this down wave, we take short trade there. And what's our profit target? This is our profit target. Call it a day. Use your 1 minute time frame, and it works. So let's see if it works or not. So see. So see. So see here we got the. So see here we got the green candle, green line. We are waiting for the market to come around here. As soon as it comes around here, we've completed. We're gonna buy, and we wait for it to come around here, and we take profit there. That's it. See, I showed you two trade, and these two trades were winning trade, and I can apply it in any chart, any coin pair. Let's see. Just type any chart pair, any coin pair you want me to analyze. Okay, we're gonna do it. Go ahead, guys. Type. Select anyone from here. WLD USDT. Okay, let's see WLD. Okay, so this is on 1 minute. Okay, now see, so so see here, right? So this is on 1 minute. Check this out. Okay, now we transition from red to green, and you only take one trade, okay, on that transition. So we transition from red to green, and as soon as this pullback happened, we take this long trade and we exit around here, and see market just went there and then come back. So you take this profit there. Okay, now we apply the same principle there. So see, if we had entered here, we would have made like 1.74% profit, right? So yeah, somebody's typing WLE. Yeah, it's no worry, bro. It's like WLD. We got this trade, one trade, and we made profit. So even it's back testing. I'm showing you, this indicator. No, it's like I modified it to, for trading, and added some like my own variables and stuff, so you can see it. Okay, now for short trade. Okay, so see, so see here, right? So here if you had this short trade, right? So see, um so here we transition from green to red, and market. So as we transition, see, the first transition was coming here. So even if we had entered short trade here, no, it's like, see why this pen is not working here. You would have put your stop loss there, and it's like on up where you would have lost money there, but hey, we made 1.74% profit there. And that's why I tell you, whatever profit you make, no, you invest only 50% of it on the next trade. Okay, so now you see, now here, now that one was losing trade, but like here, see, we transition. So as it come back around here, we take the short trade and we exit around here. Okay, so this is the very simple trade that you can do, and you want to know and see it actually exactly went there, and from there it reversed. So guys, you tell me what you think about this. Okay, you tell me. It's like we are running this on 1 minute chart, and you can see this again and again. Okay, see, we came back around here, we came back here, we entered long, put our stop loss there, and we hit our target there. So right off the bat. Okay, I don't know about this coin, what coin it is, WLD, but you can see from the trade that this was really good forward testing. So what do you guys think? Is it simple enough? Yeah, it is very simple. And thank you for asking though. It's like simple strategy. It's like sometimes like I don't explain much and just like rant about things, but the thing is like it's Sam Altman's coin. But you can understand that, like, it's like I showed the trade on dot, and then I showed you on your selected coin, and you saw that like we won on 3 trade, right? One was losing trade, but it was small lose. Like, it's a business, man. You're gonna lose some, you're gonna make more. Okay, that's what you had to do. So let's do this thing. Okay, let's do this thing. So we're gonna trade this strategy on we're gonna like back test it every day. Okay, during New York session we start, and I'm gonna live stream, and we're gonna back test it. Okay, on 1 minute chart. All right, cool. So yeah, so yeah guys, and come to the Discord channel. It's on the Discord channel. So come to the Discord channel, guys. We're gonna have fun. Yeah, and and what I want each and every one of you to become, is like I want you guys to become money farmer. Okay, it's like if you forgot this thing, man. We as a like human species, though, 50 years ago, I'll tell you, like each and every one of us or our parents knew how to farm. Okay, how to grow food so that we can eat, so that we don't have to like ask somebody to for food. Now something happened during 1970s when US gold was pegged to the dollar. Okay, and that's where the shit hit the road, and like it all became shenanigans. But doesn't matter. When 2008 happened, that was the birth of Bitcoin. People saw that, like, this Fed and Treasury, these things are like looting our money. So now we had to learn farming money, how to farm money. There's literally one term called yield farming in crypto. If you guys know about, say yes on the chat. Like, have you guys heard about yield farming? It's literally money farming, but in like in different way. If you have a lot of money, then you can like yield farm. Okay. So yeah, so I'm gonna put invite link there. So you can find the indicator. Where did I put it, man? I think I put it on general or something. I don't know. Yeah, custom trading here. So you can see this zigzag one and then this Wyckoff price cycle one. Okay. What do you do? Just expand it, or just like, expand it, copy the whole thing, or just download it, man. Yeah. You know, so yeah, and put it here on Pine script, and then you can have this code. Okay. Now, yeah. So I think we're gonna stop the stream soon, but let me know if you guys have any question. I would happy to address each and every question. So go ahead. Yeah. So see here right now is like we are looking for short trade there. See, we came around here. So as soon as market comes around here, we're gonna look for short trade. So let's wait and see. We're gonna do it live. Okay. Yeah. So let's see what's happening. You see. So guys, if you are, some of you guys do support or resistance, right? So you can actually like see this as like dynamic support and resistance. Yeah, I'm gonna get active on the London session. So around 5 p.m. in the evening. Okay, I think that's your 9 to 5 job, most of it. So it's like 5 p.m. in the evening, and then so in in IST time, it's like New York time actually opens around 6:30 in the evening. So that 1 hour 30 minutes is just like analyzing. So we're gonna be, so I'll have my trading plan on Notion. It might take some time to build the trading plan. So I'm not just gonna start right away, but the first couple of stream is just gonna be raw. It's not gonna be planned, to be honest. But the thing is like we're gonna be preparing it, gonna do some like scanning, building some chart, what it's called, this watch list with the analysis, and then we're gonna look to trade that in paper trading. So if you guys also don't want to attach emotion right now while learning, you can follow me on paper trading. Okay. So what is the best time to apply the strategy? There if is there Yeah, it's anytime. It's like, see, on this one, on this particular, see here, no, I don't know what time is it. It is like here, but I can tell from this perspective it's like 9:21. So 21 is around here. So I don't know about the timing, man, but the thing is like, see, the simple strategy is like, as it goes up, it's very much related to Wyckoff, by the way. you know so these things you see, these are your dynamic trend lines. Okay. And this in the middle, that's your Wyckoff price cycle. Okay. Yeah. And so as we break over here, there, like, when it comes back, pull back around here, that's your optimal time to take entry, and take only one trade. Okay. So after you take entry, this is your profit target. Okay. And just like let it there, because it's 1 minute. Let's move on to the next chart. Okay. So we're going to be building watch list and doing this simple strategy. Okay. And you guys want to know the best thing is, like, we're going to be coding it, man. We're going to code it on Trade, test it, and then deploy on the Discord and Telegram. So after that, you don't have to even look at the chart. Okay. You just look at the, you're going to get notification on your Telegram, and then you can take the trade from there, So because, yeah. So yeah, man. So see, it is actually going up there. So I'm gonna wait for it. Because I'm gonna show you live like what's going to happen. Okay, because we know already what's going to happen. Even if it's going to turn out to be wrong, yeah, it's wrong. Okay, yeah, you don't make money most like 100% of the time. Okay, it's like we're going to lose some, but like what we are waiting for. No, we are waiting for down wave around here. Down wave, this line to convert red. Okay, then we enter the trade. Okay, so yeah, so I'm going to wait for it. I'm going to open the trading panel. I'm going to connect where's my trading view. Yeah, paper trading simulator connected. And so XRPO short, hang on, just close it. So we are waiting for the market to come around here. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, it works on all the coin pair, everything, bro. Just like try it, test it. Do forward back testing though. How you do know is like, see, this is how you do forward testing. Okay, so I'm gonna do forward testing. So go back, as far as you can go around here. Now now zoom in, and press right arrow on your chart, and then just like analyze it. So see, it converted to red, right? So this is what we're gonna do on that period of preparation. So thank you for asking, man. It's like simple strategy. It's like I have a lot in my mind. I just like if someone's like asking me, it's like then it actually gets out of my head, and like then I can talk about it. So see, it goes down, and we are waiting for the pullback to come around here, and then we execute short trade. Okay, so let's see. I'm gonna go there. So see here. Okay, I think that far is not coming there, this one. So I can tell about the wave, but like suppose we are entering short on the down wave. Okay, as soon as the down wave completes, but I don't think the down wave is completed there. So yeah, now it's completed. Okay, now we enter short, and then like it's like, see, it actually turns out to be losing trade. Yeah, which is fine. Okay, now we move on to next trade because we are doing forward testing. Okay, so now see here it's like transition into this green. So now we can enter long trade here. Okay, so see, this is on 1 minute time frame. Okay, when you go on higher time frame, no, the accuracy increases. Okay, so see, this one also turned out to be losing trade. So you can see it's like, that's why I actually look for so if I had this the wave, no, it's like you can see that on that one. So let's look for the wave, man, then it would be like easier. Where's the wave? Yeah, so the wave is starting from here. Okay, so that's why I actually, so it is actually the important thing about wave, no, is it's based on average true range. Okay, it's like, that's why so see, you're gonna see it right now. Okay, so we converted to green now. So we are waiting for the market to come there and go to convert to the green up wave. Okay, so market didn't came. Okay, so it came around here. So we are waiting for the wave to complete. See, that this exact thing happened there. I was just like eyeballing it. So see, wave hasn't completed there. Okay, so we can't take trade there. All right, because it's based on average true range volatility. That's why crypto market is volatile. So that's why we have to use it as an our like power. Okay, so see, this down wave was there. So here, no, it's like so there was this exception here. So I'm not going to talk about the exception because this was already so this is why, like, I'm going to back test it live and then show you. Okay, yeah, on the live market. So see here, we went to the red. So now I'm waiting for the market to go there. It didn't came there, it actually went there. So yeah, So see, it's like, see here, it exactly came around here. That's where, when the wave completed, you take short there. Okay, so that's what we're going to be doing. And like, and I'm telling you guys, okay, the one thing that I can promise no is like, I'm not going to lie to you. Okay, that's the one thing that you can ask any trader. Okay, it's like, be honest, man. It's like, it's like, if it loses, it loses. Like, it's like, that's why we are testing you. Okay, I'm I'm not a trader. I used to write this code. I write this code, and just like, so once I see, I can tell you, like, 1,000 entry points. Okay, see, this is another entry point. Okay, this is your another entry point, because when I see it, I see the code in my mind. Okay, the code I would write to get the trading there. Okay, any better strategy? I think any better strategy, I think, have more knowledge. Yeah, I don't know, bro. That's indicator can't trust. Yeah, man. It's like, it's like, that's why. Yeah, it's like right now it's just an indicator. Like, once I started making money and I show you online, no, like live, then people's sentiment gonna shift. Oh yeah, it makes money. It's like, now it's risk management. So any better strategy, I think, have more knowledge. Ah, yeah, yeah, bro. It's like, see, the thing is, like, people in trading, you must have heard about this term. Okay, self-fulfilling prophecy. Do you guys know about it? Self-fulfilling prophecy. Okay, so this simple strategy. So see, I showed you on 1 minute chart. Okay, and I can promise you, like, most of the trade YouTube channel video you see, it's like, they don't test their strategy on 1 minute chart. Why? Because they already know that it's gonna fail. Okay, it's like, why I'm doing this, is like, I'm not that experienced trader, guys. Like, I'm like you. Okay, it's like, I'm gonna trade, and while having fun. Okay, yeah. So yeah, the thing is, like, I'm doing differently. No, is like, everything that I'm gonna trade, no, I'm gonna do it on chart. I'm gonna code it, and then I'm gonna deploy it so that robot is doing all the work. Okay, so yeah, and I think you guys would very much like to see that happening in real time. And it's already in real time. You can see the Telegram channel actually. Hang on, I'm gonna show you. I think, I suppose, couple of you guys are, uh, yeah, Nagesh hang on. So N Jeong joined the group via invite link. So I'm gonna put the invite link, Telegram invite link. Okay, I'm still not get all of them. Time to code. Yeah, man. Yeah, we can actually code. Yeah, you guys want to see this strategy in the code? Just leave thumbs up. Yeah, I can show it to you right now. Like, it's very easy. Do you guys want to see it? So um yeah, so invite link. Okay, hang on, I think I have a Telegram here. Shoot. Yeah, so see, this guy, this is what I was talking about. See this Telegram channel? So you see this trade, right? See this trade? 1 week, 2 days, 2 days. So XRP, we had this trade, and it actually hit its first target and second target. So it actually partially exited with profit. You see this? 20% profit. So it's running on 5x leverage. So 5x leverage, when you divide 20 by 5, it's like 4, right? So 4% profit right there. And so see this one. So it's actually right now in profit. So another $2 profit, 17% is still up. We entered long trade on XRP, AVAX long, Uni long. So these three trades were going good. Long LTC Litecoin, we entered long, but it's like, it's a bit less. Dot, we had entered short around 6 hours ago, and it's profitable trade. So so I'm gonna send you the link. Okay. Bro, you think that bot is not showing losing trades in performance? Um, hang on now. Hang on. I'm gonna show you. Okay. So losing trade. So performance. When I go to performance, yeah, it's showing the losing trade. No, here. You see this? What are you? Where are you looking at? It's showing the losing trade too, right? Yeah, guys. So yeah, let's code this thing. Yeah. And you know what? We're gonna do it on 1 minute time frame. Yeah, man. Um, uh, you know what? Let's do it on 1 hour time frame because it's already running. So yeah. Um, yeah. So here comes. Okay. So check this out, guys. So what I want to know is like. So see, for some of you guys who are algorithmic trader know or who are interested in coding, in status. How do you mean in status? Um, oh no, status it only shows the trades which are active. Okay, so you can see the status table. Hang on. Um, so see, you have all these trades. So it only showing individual like status of those particular trades. Okay, so yeah. Um, right. I'm not asked for show the entire code, but some tutorials might be good also. Yeah, bro. Yeah, don't worry. All right, and it's all right, man. It's like it takes time. Okay, don't worry. I'm gonna be sharing the code anyway. It's just that like I don't want to put code right now. I'm gonna put it on my GitHub so that like I can get paid to the people who gonna sponsor me. That's the only thing. So I want to do it like professionally. I don't mind sharing code to be honest. Okay. Uh, yeah, so all this frick trade you see is like they are actually doing it. People are sponsoring them and they are coding because man, it's like see, I don't mind coding or coding it. Okay, it's like so later as I told my plans like I'm gonna be giving you guys $100 of my real money so that we can test it together. It's like whatever profit you make, you can keep the 80% of it, 20% I get it. Okay, but in order to get that like fund, like I have to like do some like open sourcing. All right, so yeah, so just to show you the strategy that we are building right now is so here now. So I'm gonna look for it. Yeah, I think this is good. So what I want now, see this one. So as the market comes like this, whenever the market comes and this is red, so first condition, this is red, and second thing is like the market is around here and closing candle, it doesn't matter closing is where, it's just this must be red, and most of this candle now is like this swing high is like below this too. So let's test it out and we're gonna see it. Okay, so I'm gonna dock it here. Thanks, Captain. I hope we're on the same ship and toward millionaire way. Yeah, man. See, for me, no, is like it's not a word. Okay, becoming millionaire. I'm gonna put the hard work that it requires, and I told you, like, guys, becoming millionaire is not easy. Okay, it's like I know how to do it. It's just like, yeah, that's why we're gonna do it together. Don't worry. So I'll tell you one thing. You guys heard about FTMO? Tell me right there if you guys know about FTMO. So FTM, is like, so you can put like $500 or $1,000. They actually multiply it and then give you more money to trade. So basically, it's like funded firm. They fund you how to trade. So just imagine, like, just random guys, us, you know, we are building a strategy, we're coding it, and the thing is like we have it in like computerized, it's like automated. So any competition, and like Binance runs competition, Bybit runs competition, trading competition, we can join it. I'm going to be doing that competition, guys. It's like, it's like making money. It's called prop firms, yeah, prop firms, not prop firms. uh, that's how I'm trading in forex now. Oh, awesome. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, man. So, so if you're doing prop firms, so I think you know about trading really well. As you tell, like when you told me about imbalance, no, it's like I already knew that, like, you use market profile, and you know you accumulate market profile, and then you see the imbalance, and then you take a trade. So, what I'm gonna be doing here, no, is like we're gonna be doing the same thing as you're doing as well from traders perspective, and then we're gonna code that motherfucking thing. It's just like automated, man. So that, like, so that we don't have to look at one particular chart, because I can tell you for sure, like, you as you're in prop firm, so it's like they will not let you trade different coin, and like even if they give you freedom, it's like there's risk involved in it. You can take certain amount of risk when you trade on prop firms. And yeah, so yeah, man, it's like we're gonna talk a lot later on. So let's code that thing and show that we can see it as well. So here, what I want to know for my long trade setup. So you guys can see it. Yeah, it's big now. Entering long trade. So I want my MRC, recent MRC mean line, recent trend status to be so what is it? Uptrending. Okay. And I want, so what I want is like my swing. Hang on. So somebody is texting. Okay. I'm gonna put it around here. So swing low should be less than V min line, and swing and wave direction change to down wave. So I got my long trade setup there, and we're gonna add something too. So downtrending, swing high is this, up wave. Sure. Okay. So you see, we got 739 trades out of how many candles back? It's like from the 2019 to 2024 on 1 hour time frame. Okay, and let's see it. So so let's see it, man. I'm gonna disable it. So disable this one, and then I'm gonna enable this one. So check this out. You see, like right now we coded it, and this is what the result is. Now what I want now we add some like confluence. Okay, so here what I want to see is like let's add. Okay, so see, so I want couple of swing high to be below that. Okay, so that's why I take that trade. Okay, so as we come around here, and like way backs, like we know that like it's changed to green to red. Now in this point you see it's like it also took short trade there. So it's very simple rule right now that like yeah, anyways, yeah, it's just very simple rule. And like now let's test it. Okay, now let's see. So we're gonna apply it here, and yeah, this one is true, that one is false, and so this one I want to rename it as volume profile. Okay, so now let's see. So see, we're gonna see trade setups there now. See this trade, boom. This one is like, again, you can argument about whether winning or losing, but what I'm showing is like I'm showing you that this thing is codable. Okay, and there will be some simple thing that like we need to improve on. you know um, so that's where actually conflicts comes in. So right now it's very simple rule. Okay, so yeah, so this is what I wanted to show you guys. And once we like trade it, yeah, it's going to be simple. So yeah, guys, that's it from me. And uh, I really appreciate you guys joining the stream. And I'm a bit hungry right now, gotta go eat something. And but tomorrow is gonna be our second stream, day 2 of becoming millionaire before age 30 trading crypto. Yeah, man, I have like yeah, it's around 85 plus or something. Yeah, anyway, so the thing is like I just wanted to show you guys that like we can code it. And I'm gonna show you everything that I'm doing live. Okay, yeah, hope you guys like the stream. And if you guys haven't subscribed, please subscribe and like the video, because I also want to grow the channel so that more and more people can see this stuff. Because like guys, see, I was like you also, like I entered YouTube learning trading, and like learned indicator, RSI, or this and this shit, and it took a lot of time of me. Okay, I struggled a lot, and that's why I started this channel, so that you guys, I can help guys like us to not get distracted. And the best thing that you can ask one trader know is like honesty. Okay, so yeah, man, yeah, me too. And it's gonna be fun. uh, so yeah, this is my journey, becoming millionaire before age 30 trading crypto. And I hope you guys like it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you, ciao, and peace.